Welcome to my winning room.
Evil genius. On a serious note, welcome to our beautiful living dining room. It's a space that really complements the kitchen very well, and it's a super functional, like, this is a 4-seater couch, man.
Very
down,
very
relax,
comfortable
enjoy.
couch.
Boucle fabric, very on trend at the moment. These coffee tables, super sculptural and gorgeous. It's quite a minimalist styling approach we've taken this week, but I think it's very well suited.
If I've got to compare ours to theirs, which is completely different, but we do have the wow, we do have the wow factor.
We've got the Frame TV by Samsung. This amazing Stoke fireplace set into the Laminex paneling. This is the Scallop 45 profile.
And then we have this incredible black steel door entering the wing for all the bedrooms.
I like it.
Never been a huge fan, but I like it here.
I like it because you can separate the bedroom. I think it's good.
We've got a very large dining table, original artwork, a beautiful bar over here, and this incredible light, which is my favourite. So, we hope you've enjoyed our room, and yeah.
Who's coming over for a dinner party? Let's do it.